Charlotte. Charlotte. Ah, if you touch me like this, me, Matongram.
That's so sweet.
Charlotte. See, if I see you like this, sometimes what the Ghana people say, Maggie butter. I butter. If I see you like this, every time I see you, I dreaming. If I'm having a dream, see your hand where you touch me. Oh, what? Hello.
That's so sweet.
Stand up and let's people to see that I have now good people. Wallaya. The way you did, look at your teeth. What the Ghana people say, I said, and yeah.
I do love
Hi! You said I just see the highway is that you.
I love you.
You love me, I love you. See, don't love anybody that way, okay? Because ice.
Hello.
Oh, hello! How are you? This is your sister-in-law. This is your sister-in-law.
Nice to see you.
Exactly. Oh, you can sit down. Feel free, eh? You can sit down. Feel free. Are you okay?
Yeah,
you are okay.
I'm fine.
Please, can I offer you something and you have to?
Sure.
It's very good. Oh, that's good.
How are you doing? I'm good. Oh yeah. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. No, Busiano. Oh, Busiano. Yeah. Okay. I say like me who were around him say that. Since I'm in the witches that oh, which are they? Only come on, Jagger. You're not singing about I know that it's a thing. Almost 1 year. No, tell me so we're joking. I was singing your band on the figure and saying that dating, babe. I'm not joking. Which is your girlfriend? And I'm a girlfriend. What? You're in your band. Hey, na introduction be na why sisi. Sister, oni baby, benyan to kwa. Oba, manembra, nge me, ate. Nigeria gari pa, debi o. That is say, what trie di ana say, the cry no trie.
Atana kananya tanya. Asana ya. Inenya tanya.
You're such a dad.
I'll be back at the data and the data of you. Everything is okay. Please come out.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah. Okay. Can I ask you something?
What is exactly you want to ask me? What is happening?
She and I, who is your girlfriend?
Huh?
She and I, who is your girlfriend?
What question is this? I don't understand.
It's a simple question.
It's a question.
Who is your girlfriend? She and I.
It's your sister-in-law now. Welcome.
I don't understand the whole thing. Please. She just told me that she's your girlfriend.
He told you?
She just told me that.
He told you?
I know my boyfriend.
Which one? No, why are you changing? What is happening?
Just
over
stop
here?
it. Just stop it.
No,
I'm serious. Stop it.
I don't understand.
Just tell me.
No, wait. Oh, Charlotte, wait. I don't want you to back it like a dog. It's okay. What is this? Why?
No. Talk to me. You see, I'm messing up.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Come here.
I'm coming.
Hey. Nigeria man. What you do the job? Dear Joe, dear, we have to leave our own. Take care. Sister, hey! I'm a jam Mama Nigeria guy, which me is.